Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Sceptre monitor is flickering, blinking, or showing unstable visuals, it can make even simple tasks frustrating and hard on your eyes. You might notice the screen flashing randomly, brightness shifting, or the display cutting in and out for a second. This kind of issue doesn't always mean the monitor is damaged. It's often related to connection problems, incorrect display settings, or refresh rate mismatches. Since monitors rely on a steady signal from your computer, even a small inconsistency in cables or settings can cause flickering. The good thing is that most of these issues can be fixed quickly without replacing the monitor. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to troubleshoot and fix a Sceptre monitor flickering problem step by step. Try these. Step 1. Check and firmly reconnect the display cable to both monitor and computer. Step 2. Restart your computer to refresh the display connection. Step 3. Set the correct screen resolution in display settings. Step 4. Adjust the refresh rate to a supported value. Step 5. Inspect the cable for damage and replace if needed. Step 6. Test the monitor to confirm the flickering is resolved.